The live framework longitudinal indicators for the visitor economy. Access individual indicators from the top menus. Indicators cover economic, social, environmental, and institutional data. Most indicators have a range of data choices at the top. Square points allow multiple choices to be selected for data comparisons. Round points are single selection only. Data can be viewed as a chart or a table. Roll over the data points for more information. Each indicator has an explanation and more information in the Purpose section. If the menu will not retract, click on your selection again. Some indicators have options to scroll for more information.